Community colleges are supposed to serve as gateways to help people gain the skills needed to succeed in life. They are places where many students find success. They are also places where far too many find that success eludes them. Upon entering community college, incoming students who fail to meet a certain criteria are placed in remedial or developmental classes. Students must complete these courses to graduate, yet these courses don't count for credit towards their degree. This is not the problem of just a few students. Data shows that up to 60% of incoming students must take at least one developmental course in English or in math. For many of these students, developmental math becomes an insurmountable barrier, often ending their aspirations for higher education. Up to 70% of these students fail to complete the sequence of required courses necessary to receive a diploma. Some students fail because they don't see the value in these courses. What does algebra have to do with journalism, or nursing, or web design? As a result, they avoid taking them. Why waste money on a course that doesn't count for credit? Other students attempt to take the courses but get frustrated. Though they may be in a different classroom than they were in high school, and there may be a different teacher standing in front of them, their situation has not changed. The way that the teacher in high school taught fractions is the same way that the teacher in college is teaching fractions. They didn't understand the material the first time around, and they are not likely going to get it the second time around either. Something needs to be done about this. But what? There are a number of steps we can take. First, we need to find different ways of teaching this material. We need to give the students something different from what they got in high school. Second, we need to use materials and teaching styles that engage and excite students, that explore real contexts that interest and motivate students. Third, we need to help students overcome their math scar tissue, the residue of years of failure in mathematics courses. Many students have experienced schooling that says to them, "You're not good at this. We don't expect you to achieve." We must change these negative mindsets. We now know from extensive research that math ability is in fact malleable. With effort and deliberate practice, new skills and understandings can be acquired. Fourth, we need to help students overcome language and literacy barriers, which often prevent them from learning even the math material. And finally, we must support community college faculty through professional development. We must give them the resources and the tools to help them teach math concepts to a variety of students in a variety of ways. In order to unleash the amazing human potential found in community college students, we must address each one of these 5 factors. In doing so, we can ensure that more students make it to graduation. The bottom line is that developmental math classes should not keep students from getting the education that they deserve. We can't afford to ignore the millions of students each year who walk away from developmental classrooms, and in doing so, walk away from the fulfillment of life and career aspirations. Math should be the gateway, not the gatekeeper, to a better life.